I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to withdraw money from Moan Finance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Moan Finance app. Launch the Moan Finance app on your device or log into the website. You'll need to access your account to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 2. Navigate to the Invest tab. Once you're logged in, go to the Invest tab located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your investments and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose the amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure it is within the available balance. Keep in mind that if you have pending transactions, they might affect your available funds. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the withdrawal is processed. With these steps, you should be able to withdraw your money from Moan Finance without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. Happy investing!